Buenos dias, mi compadres.
That's just racist.
No, it's not. It's a language. Good morning, everybody. My name is Nash. Wonderful weather we're having. Awful weather we're having. It's 48 degrees here, and I know that's not cold for some of you guys, but for
Nash is a little weak.
Us boys in Florida, we're liable to see polar bears go by at any minute, so we got to keep our head on a swivel for this job. And
Let's see how you ramble that one on.
man, let's get to work.
Cody,
Get a little teddy bear.
come on.
All right, so our client today had this new turf area put in. Got a nice pool area, but this channel drain isn't flowing correctly. Channel drain is this drain inside the lanai here, and when it comes out, it's just dumping right into this. Whoever installed the turf didn't do any kind of drainage for it, so he's getting a bunch of pooling here in this lower part of the corner. You can see it slopes downhill. All the water comes from the neighbor, ends up right here in this corner. We also have this downspout that's taking this whole roof line's water right down, shooting it out. So all of this water is pooling right here, making this new beautiful space not very usable. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna be pulling this turf back and putting in a catch basin, just a 6-inch catch basin right here at this channel drain to catch the water coming from the channel drain. We're gonna run it along the perimeter of the house right here, where we'll tie in this downspout, bring it out here, straight down the line, and once we're doing our cleanup, we're gonna re-level these pavers as well. Also gonna drop a couple catch basins in here. That way he doesn't have any pooling water between the house and the fence. We will also be tying in the front downspout, running it forward under the sidewalk. Not too hard of a job, but we will have electrical lines and pool pumps for sure in here, so we gotta be careful. We're running corrugated pipe today. It's a lot easier to make those bends around the turns we need to, and slope isn't really an issue, so that's good once we get through here. All right, normally turf is just got a gravel base like this, and they use big nails as stakes. These guys used, looks like Trex board, almost like a recycled kind of wood material that's not wood at all. And it holds the staples they used real well, so that was tough to get out, but it is out now. We're gonna be putting a catch basin right here where this channel drain is. Probably gonna go with a square top lid instead. But you can see this border is blocking here. So we're gonna have to take that out. Just cut it with the Sawzall while I'm doing that. Joe's already gotten started on this trench. Removed all the pavers that were here, all the rocks. Now he's digging bit by bit. Pro tip of the day, cleanup is easier when you don't let anything get dirty in the first place. Use tarps, big tarps, thick tarps, because these shovels will puncture holes very easily. This one is awesome. I don't know what thickness it is. We got it on Amazon forever ago thinking it'd be cheap, and it's done a great job. So keep a clean area, makes it a lot easier for cleanup. All right, you can see what we're dealing with here. We got a couple lines of conduit, some capped off irrigation lines. Now that we've got this open here, this was directly blocking this channel drain from flowing out. Completely clogged. gravel, dirt, mud, sand, all the space. Now, another way to do this job would be just to insert PVC pipe into this bottom, redirect that out. That'd definitely be easier, less digging, but that wouldn't quite solve the issue of all this pooling water that's coming from that hill up there. This will also make it easier to flush it and clean it out in the future. So this is the way we're doing. Clay is pretty solid under these lines. Hand digging it. Not new. This is why we've got the cube.
The fuck?
Yeah, me. Me.
Now my phone. Oh man,
That's gonna be a good shot.
I hate clay. Not clay, like clay. If you're watching this back from high school, both clays actually. I like y'all. Y'all are both cool. Both cool clays. This clay, not cool. Thumbs down for this clay.
One eternity later.
All right, we got the trench dug out. Gutter guys just came by. They're gonna be redirecting, redoing gutters actually on this whole side, but they're gonna be replacing this, putting it on this side. That way this line can come in a nice straight line down into our drain. We don't want it coming here, hitting the water that's coming from this way, interrupting that flow, causing a little whirlpool. So our line's gonna come this way and under, and we're gonna have that downspout come in from the top. We got under all these pipes. Joe's killing it, trenching down this line. Joe, you having a good day?
I wouldn't call it a good day. It's a day.
It's a day. Joe's got the line in here, back around that catch basin. Got to run the pipe under the pipes. And then it's a straight shot down, aside from teeing off for the downspouts. All right, got that sucker in there. It's tight, but hard part's over with. Aside from digging up that clay, of course. All right, compacted. We got the turf back down over here too. Still need to staple that edge, which we'll do once we come back from lunch. We are flushing this channel drain today too, but there's nowhere for the water to go, so we're gonna be doing that last. Got this cut out here. Voila. Slipped nice down to that corner where that channel drain can catch it, and where all the water coming from here will catch it. Got the pipe ready to redirect that downspout whenever they come by and install it.
brother, this guy stinks!
Alrighty, all done back here. Finally got one tarp cleared, backfilling. We are removing a lot of dirt today in a very tight space, so there's nowhere to set it on the sides. Made our way through the gate and out to the front. Right here where we're going to be dropping a catch basin, because this is the end of these pavers. So we figure it's a good stopping point to go grab lunch. Woo! Best time of the day. We are coming down this line now. I've not time-lapsed any of this because, well, it's just not that exciting. Joe's just digging a line. I'm just filling a line.
Pretty boring day.
Got some calcite. Totally just made that up. I have no clue what it is, but it's white, it's rocky, it's all over the place. The yard has real good slope, so that's easy to keep now. Got a catch basin here, and I'm leveling out the ground for all these pavers to make sure they're nice and solid. It's going. It's just going real slow. But we did save tomorrow morning off to go fishing. And we'll probably just be finishing this job up instead of doing that. R.I.P. I know, bad decision. But where it comes first, right? Right? Huh? Huh? What? What? Huh? Man, it has been a day. This is Florida for you. Tuesday we did about 230 feet in a day, with time to spare. Today we're racing the sun, and we've maybe done,
I'm gonna tell you, the sun's
60 maybe done 60 feet. So that's what happens. You can get lucky and get nice, great Florida sand, and it's awesome, or we can get the Georgia lick clay that's been trucked in, and that's not awesome. That's what's today in palm tree roots and a lot of pool pumps. But we kept grade, we got the important part done, and now this is going to turn into a 2 day, so we're not going fishing tomorrow morning anymore. I'm gonna backfill it right here. Wake up early in the morning, come here, do this length, take it under the sidewalk, connect one downspout, and then we're actually gonna flush the channel drain and do a deck drain install as well. So we'll catch you tomorrow. Day 2. Time to flush the channel drain, put in a drain cap, and run this under the sidewalk. Where we left it looks like it is working. So, didn't rain last night, but I guess whatever dew or water there was over there is now down here, which is cool. All right, Joe's making his way down, and so is the water. Got really good grade here at the end. While he's doing that, I'm flushing out the channel drain and installing some deck drain caps. Didn't really cover the video process of the deck drain cap installation video, whatever, in this video, because we have a bunch of other videos. So I'll go ahead and link one here for the deck drain install. But basically what it is an access point for them to get their garden hose in the future. We're gonna flush it out with a jetter Make sure nothing is built up in it. As you can see, there is a bunch of mud. But this cap right here just pops right in. It's getting covered by their chest. But yeah, that's another video. I'm gonna go ahead and do this so I can get up front and help Joe. All right, came up front, went under the sidewalk, made a complete mess, but sometimes that's what you gotta do. So we're gonna go ahead, trench that last bit, put on a pop-up emitter, backfill, put the sod on, go back, finish flushing that channel drain, and we'll be out of here. All right, we've got the garden hose in now, just flushing at our cutout where we're gonna put our channel drain slot in. And on this side, we've got good water flow coming out of that channel drain. It's nice and clear now into our catch basin. Once the gutter guys come by and drop these downspouts at this point and a new one up front, those will be tied in as well. Sod's back on. And we've got great water flow down here out of the pop-up emitter. Jay, you got anything to add? I think that's a wrap.
Yeah, it's been a long one for this one, but we got there. So, any tips, tricks, advice, check us out, tampadraindudes.com. You also may know that we have a cool little thing called the subscribe button and the notification bell.
I don't know if I can edit that up there, but it'll be in the middle at least.
Anywhere. Subscribe, check us out.
Appreciate it. Thanks guys for watching. If you aren't watching, you wouldn't have seen me saying thank you, so obviously it's been a long one. Till the next one, bye.